Hey y'all, welcome back to Last Take TV. If you're looking why you're not booking, yeah. So as you can tell by the title, it's get ready with me to go out. I'm gonna do my makeup and y'all gonna help me pick out my outfit. So I don't know if I want to do full like foundation or do I want to do like just the under eye or like my concealer makeup, not makeup look. I don't know what I want to do, but I think I'm gonna do foundation, or maybe not. I don't know, but I don't know. But I will come back after I finish my face. Y'all keep the eyebrows. Period. Clouded T. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do my makeup, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. I will try to leave the stuff in the description box or whatever it's called, but if y'all want to know what I use, just ask me. I'll try to read it.
Give me something I'm not. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted it, I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. So what you in a rush for? What you tryna meet your maker, darling? Or you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscing, every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. No, I've seen the lion first. No, I've seen no finding us. I've been out, baby. God bless you. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane.
Let me not be like that. But I do hear what I hear though. Such a baddie. Okay, y'all. I did not bring y'all in the house, but I will try to get some footage on my phone from the night out. I will show y'all a little OOTD in a second. And yeah, I'm finna eat some leftover Doritos that I bought earlier today. Cause your girl's hungry. So yeah. Cute.
The lady said what?
She said it must have been the food, and she turned the fuck around. She turned her ass.
That's just
And that's nasty as fuck.
Bitch, take your ass home, bitch. Why would you even say that to me? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is that about?
Say, man.
They didn't answer the fucking phone.
They need to go home.
No cap.
Niggas was ducking they shot. I gotta take this bra off.
It's 4 in the morning.
So we're drunk as fuck. We just left the booty club.
I had to take my fucking bra off.
Bitches was bumping into my arm. It was hurting. I was ready to rock a bitch, but I was trying to keep it civilized for the night.
Long live
so everybody can have a
Camila.
good night. Long live Camila. Let me show y'all. Let me motherfucking show y'all, cause he motherfucking snap. Ooh.
Camila. I might have to address her.
Hold on. Ooh.
Zofia, hold on. Pull this. Pull, please. Hurry up. Do I pull or do I not pull? Yes.
Long live my mama, ho.
Yeah.
Long live the biggest.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me tell you about a strip club with some Chris. I can't need money spread.
Hold on, let me put the shirt on and I'll be able to money spread for you.
I can't need money spread.
Hey, can I take some pictures real quick?
Didn't I tell y'all hoes I had shot before we even got the bottles? An hour before. Lord, and my phone's dead.
It's okay.
My camera's dead.
Y'all put my pajama on. Z, take some pictures of me real quick.
So how do you rate your night?
I guess we could wait on Z to leave.
So how do you rate your night, Nyla?
I'll give it a...
8 out of 10.
Money serving everybody.
You give it a what?
I give it an 8. Mine is like the lateness on bottles, but we got drunk quick. I ain't even gonna lie.
I give it
in the hookah.
A 7. I'm between the 6 and a 7, so I'm gonna say
I give it
6.5. I guess.
But it was a good time though.
Our bottle girl was cute though. That's what
She was cute, but it was taking forever.
Yeah. Maybe if we would have got there like 11:30.
So?
Okay.
Fuck that. We paid for the fucking bottle.
Hey y'all. It's the next day. And a time was had last night. It was so fun. Great time per usual. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, like on this like not even get ready with me, but this outfit of the OOTD going out. I'm gonna try to do more of those, if anything. But a time was had. Where? Y'all, my camera's dead, so I'm trying. There we go. So I'm trying to charge it. But we're on the way to Cuzzo's right now. Yeah, we're on the way to Cuzzo's right now to rejuvenate. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat that for real. I'm probably just going to sit down just to sit down. But other than that, it was like I'm recovering. I'm literally recovering. I'm gonna show y'all a video from last night. I really didn't take no videos for real. They really won't finna bring in my camera. Cute. I'm trying to find a video, y'all. One night only, we from out of town. I'm trying to show y'all the outfit and it's not even giving. Oh. And I recorded my camera last night. Baby. A time was had. It was fun. Well, you don't get in the house till 4 in the morning. Yeah, it's a vibe per usual. Okay, what's up, y'all? Okay, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna show y'all my outfit from the other night. My old CD. This is real cute. This is what I wore. I didn't get to use my camera, but whatever. Super cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog. I was really supposed to end it yesterday. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Not even vlog. It wasn't a vlog. It was a get ready with me. It was a get ready with me. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And just go ahead and get us to 300 subs. Like, get ready with the baddest. Y'all follow my the light is not good. Y'all follow my TikTok. Y'all follow my spam TikTok. I'm gonna put it in the description. So I hope I see y'all in the next video. Bye.